YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World. I am back, and I am about to pull up at the Nike outlet, my home away from home, because I am all about getting deals on sneakers, not just buying every latest release. And I do have a surprise unboxing coming, just FYI. But today they have a 30% off sale going on, so I'm gonna stop in here and see what's on the walls, man. See what I can get my hands on for a good deal. But before I go inside, the lifeblood of YouTube, all of the content creators, is the comments, the subscribers, and people smashing that like button. So before we get into the outlet, if y'all wouldn't mind going down, subscribing to the channel if you're new, and hitting that thumbs up button so we can keep creating content, keep pushing things, and keep y'all coming back. Hope y'all loving me. So without any further ado, let's get inside the outlet. I'm gonna do something different today, and I'm gonna start over here in the U sizes. See if they got anything hot in my son size. It's gonna be a little too hot for that. $64 ain't bad. So and I also love that I can make videos for some of you guys that even if I don't cop anything, you guys might see something in here that you like. You can comment down below. Let me know if you see anything in here you like. Once I get to the hash wall, see some of the things on sale, let me know. Let me know if you got any of this stuff still in your outlet. I think this is the women's section. I don't see nothing too crazy yet, but as you can see up here on the wall, that additional 30% off. Over here in the men's running, I don't see anything in the outlet. I think this 30% off sale. These are the Buckeye coaching exclusive joints right here. Really, really cheap. It's about to be soccer and football season. Got some cleats in here. I don't see nothing too crazy yet, man. This 30% off sale been going on for a few days, so everything is picked through. Nah, I'm just browsing, bro.
My name is Mari.
I appreciate you. I ain't never seen this colorway in those. The black joints. Some Prestos. That's just sock darts. I'm surprised these ain't down about $49 by now. $179. Got from 7.5 all the way down to biggest size is probably 11 in these. My Bonafides I got out of here. My black joints I got. People love them. When I get compliments all the time when they actually on foot and I'm walking around the city, so I feel like I made the right decision. A lot of people don't like these. I like these joints though. Come down on the price a little bit. The fatigue joints my son has. That feel like a kid shoe to me though. I don't think I could wear it for myself. Got your Wheat 13s. They got about every size in them joints. From floor to ceiling. Got your ones from floor to ceiling. Got these joints right here, 80 bucks. You got about size 7 to size, you got a 14, 13s down there. Got some 2s. These ain't bad though. I actually like these. So. CP3s. Superflies. Ultraflies. Got some Zoom Lives. Alright, I done went through enough of these. Let's get to the hash wall. See what's actually 30% off. Alright, so I'm a natural 10.5. I'm in the 10 right now. Work my way down. Y'all let me know if y'all see anything crazy up there. Look like some Roshis up there. Some Special Forces. Got some KDs down here. What they want for 30% off? 119 with 30% off additional. Some pocket knives. 74.
Like the ones we got for
Got them Monarchs. Man, that's an ugly ass shoe. I ain't seeing nothing, y'all. What y'all see? Still nice to get out of the house and see. Let's work my way down into some bigger sizes. Sometimes they be, oh, here go my Bonafides. Nothing crazy, y'all. Nothing crazy. Nothing catching my eye. Nothing jumping out at me. Sometimes you get 1 or 2 things that'll be screaming at you and catch your attention. I ain't seeing it. You got these Air Force Ones, these ships, size 14. They're only $69.99, additional 30% off. You got some, woo, size 18, $149, 30% off. KDs, size 14, additional. I think that's about it, y'all. I ain't see nothing. Yo, so as y'all can see, it was a pretty dry day in the outlet today. So I didn't cop anything, but it was nice to get out of the house. And I'm glad y'all rolled with me. OVE!